Life bends in ways no map ever promised, pulling you into mornings you did not expect and nights you never asked for. Yet something in you keeps moving, keeps listening for the quiet pulse that whispers you are still here. You are still rising, even when the ground feels uncertain beneath the weight of everything you carry. There are days you rise up like a flame, remembering its own heat, lifting above the ashes of disappointments that once felt permanent. You rise because a small truth inside you refuses to stay buried, refuses to forget that strength does not depend on smooth roads or perfect skies. Only on the willingness to breathe and try again. And there are days you rise down, slipping into the deeper rooms of yourself where the echoes soften. And the heart can finally speak. Rising down is its own kind of bravery, the courage to rest, to sink into your own quiet depths and let the healing happen slowly without rushing the story or forcing the lesson to arrive. Here in the dim glow of your own interior truth, you learn what cannot be learned any other way. Life is not a straight line. It curves, it folds, breaks and rebuilds, twists in ways that shape you into someone wiser than the person you were before. Every rise, every fall, every unexpected turn teaches your soul how to navigate the unmarked places with a little more softness, a little more grace, and a growing trust in your ability to find your balance. Even when the world tilts, you rise up. You rise up when the moment asks for your fire. You rise down when the moment asks for your stillness. Both movements are holy. Both are necessary. Both are parts of the way you grow into the person you're becoming. Each breath you take draws a new shape on the path ahead. And even if the road bends again, you'll meet each turn with a quiet knowing that you can bend too without breaking, without losing yourself, without stopping the steady rhythm of becoming more whole. Be nice, be kind, and be the greatest expression of you.